Duke Energy's residential electricity rates vary by region and usage. Here's an overview of current rates in key service areas. Duke Energy, Ohio. Current price to compare 10.445 cents per kWh, effective June 1st to 30th, 2025. Recent rates April, May 2025, 8.02 cents per kWh. October 2024 to March 2025, 8.18 cents per kWh. Average rate approximately 8.18 cents per kWh. Duke Energy Carolinas, North and South Carolina. Average residential rate 14.09 cents per kWh. Typical monthly bill around $140.35 for 1000 kilowatt hours usage. Recent adjustment. Rates decreased by 6.2% on 1st January 2025 due to falling fuel prices. Duke Energy Progress, Eastern and Central North Carolina. Typical monthly bill approximately $154.63 for 1000 kilowatt hours usage. Recent adjustment. Rates decreased by 4.5% on 1st December 2024, reflecting lower fuel costs. Summary. Ohio, rates fluctuate quarterly. Currently around 8.18 cents per kWh. Carolinas, approximately 14.09 cents per kWh, with recent reductions due to fuel cost adjustments. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, it's advisable to check your specific rate schedule on Duke Energy's official website or contact their customer service.